Hello everyone, welcome to the Dragon Code and first lesson about CSS. This is second course about web development. First was HTML course. In that course I tried to avoid using CSS as much as I could. If you watch those videos, you could notice that page without CSS looks very bad. CSS is style sheet language. It stands for Cascade Style Sheet. It works hand in hand with HTML. HTML is structure of page and CSS is used for styling page elements. HTML elements have default style. They have properties and those properties have default values. For example, block elements have width of 100% and most of elements have black text color and white background color. So with CSS you are not adding style, you are just changing default style. There are three ways to insert CSS. You can do it with external CSS, internal CSS, and inline CSS. This is syntax for external and internal CSS. You write selector and then in curly brackets you write properties and their values. For inline CSS you don't need selector. Let's try that in Visual Studio Code. I will add one paragraph and I will add text here. Today is Friday. And I will add here internal CSS. So in head tag I will add style element. And here I need selector P for P element. And then I will add property color red. Let's see this page in browser. So now text in paragraph is red. If I remove this, I will comment this. Now text in paragraph is black. This is because it is default color of text, and with CSS I'm changing that default property value. Now I will add external CSS. External CSS means that I will have CSS code in separate file. So I need to create new file with CSS extension. So I will call it first style.css. And then in HTML file I need to link that CSS file, and I will do that with link element. It is style sheet, and here I will write file name. It is first style. I'll add some style here, so it is P element, and I will add background color of olive. And you can see now background color is olive. I will also change color of text. It is color property and let it be blue. So this is paragraph. It has blue text and olive background color. And last way to insert CSS is with inline CSS. So for that I need to write style attribute inside element, and then I will add color of white and background color black. And now text is white and background is black. So although I have external CSS, inline CSS is applied. This is because inline CSS has higher priority than internal and external CSS. Internal and external CSS have same priority. Also, style of child element has higher priority than style of parent element. I will add here in paragraph one span element, span week. And then I will add style to that span element, color red and background color green. And as you can see, style of child element has higher priority than style of its parent element. And last thing I'm going to cover in this video is important keyword. So here in external CSS, I'll add important keyword to this color property. And now paragraph text is blue. So with important keyword, you can make style with less priority to be applied. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.